Unleash your inner curry master. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be on your way to curry heaven in no time. Let's do this. Grab a large pan or pot and heat a glug of oil over medium heat. Once it's hot, toss in your chopped onion and cook until it's soft and translucent. Now, add your minced garlic and ginger and let those beauties fry for a minute or two until fragrant. The aroma will be incredible. Now, it's time to build those beautiful curry flavors. Add your curry powder, turmeric, cumin, and coriander to the pan and fry for a couple of minutes, stirring constantly until the spices are fragrant. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Next, tip in those lovely chopped tomatoes, or canned tomatoes, and give everything a good stir. Pop the lid on and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the tomatoes to break down and the flavors to meld together beautifully. Now for the star of the show, your leftover lamb. Add it to the pan along with that creamy coconut milk. Give everything a good stir, season with salt and pepper to taste, and bring it up to a simmer. Let it bubble away gently for another 15 to 20 minutes, or until the lamb is heated through and the sauce has thickened to your liking. Section 4. Simplicity and flavor. This curry's got it all. See how easy that was? A few simple steps, and you've transformed those leftovers into a curry that's bursting with flavor. The beauty of this recipe is that it's so adaptable. You can adjust the spices to your liking, add a pinch of chili flakes for a bit of heat, or stir in a handful of spinach towards the end for extra goodness. The key is to have fun with it and make it your own. That's what cooking is all about, right? Section 5. Serving up a feast. Pilau, rice and curry, a match made in heaven. Now let's talk about serving this beauty. For me, there's no better companion for a delicious curry than a big bowl of fluffy pilau rice. The fragrant rice soaks up all those lovely curry juices, creating a match made in culinary heaven. You can also serve your curry with naan bread, roti, or even some simple boiled rice. Don't forget to garnish with fresh cilantro for a burst of freshness. And if you're feeling really fancy, a dollop of yogurt or a sprinkle of toasted almonds on top will take it to the next level. Section 6. Get cookin', curry lovers. Your taste buds will thank you. So there you have it, my friends. A super simple, super delicious way to transform those leftover lamb into a curry that will have everyone licking their plates. I urge you to give this recipe a go and let me know what you think in the comments below. I bet you'll be amazed by how easy it is to create restaurant-quality curry right in your own kitchen. Happy cooking!
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.